Want to make your screen recordings look professional and effortless? Today, we're diving into iMobie Screenify, an amazing tool that can transform the way you capture your screen. Stop overpaying for screen recorders. This free tool has every feature you need. Here's how to get high-quality videos for free. Stick around as I share essential facts, tips, and a step-by-step guide on how to use Screenify effectively. Also, make sure you watch this video to the end in order to get all the tips. Welcome to Ray Content Lab, your go-to source for tips, reviews, and insights on the best online and AI tools to help you grow and streamline your online business. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content that will elevate your workflow and success. Now, let's get started. Introducing Screenify. The ultimate free screen recorder of 2024 is here. No watermarks, no limits, no cost. The amazing thing is that this tool works on both Windows and Mac. Here's the step-by-step guide on how to use Screenify. First, go to Screenify website. I have included the link to their website in description below. Next, click on Free Download and install for free. Now, you can go ahead and capture, record, trim, all for free. Record screen, audio, mic, webcam, any or all of them. High-quality recording up to 4K and 60 FPS with noise reduction. Live annotation with drawing tools, shapes, and texts. No time limits. Unlimited videos. No watermark. No ads. What are the benefits of using Screenify? The benefits include no resolution limit, no watermark, no limit on time and amount, multiple recording modes, real-time audio noise reduction, basic editing functions. So, what are you waiting for? Why not start using this free tool right away? Follow the link in the description of this video to start using Screenify. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Leave us a like and help share this video.